This thing here is the last of the leftover wood that I've got, so I thought I'd make a small bedside table. Already got it put together. I will take it and paint it, when it dries, I'll put the green on it, and then it'll be done. It's a pretty fast project. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out there too while I paint it and get the places that I missed, get this done, and get it put back in the house. So that's next. Touching this one, painting this one. And now I'm painting it
Black again. His favorite color. Black.
I painted a different color. My wife buys one.
We were in the hardware. I told you buy another color. And then like I want black.
I'm finishing up that desk with it.
It's a leftover wood. I make a side table for Ciara's bed. Because she have a night light, a pony night light, and she want to use it while she sleeps.
It's long. She want it, but you should put a foot on that one, like.
Ciara spilling the tape. ICC. Daddy, you better get it. Okay, perfect.
Wow. So I'll put the cushion on it, take it back in the house, and then do the other one, take it in the house.
Doing now, love.
I'm gluing on the side pieces. Put the board to sit inside. More resistance.
You're putting up that trim, right? He cut his own trim. He's using his table saw right there. Here's the trim. I don't know what kind of wood is this. I just buy this one in the local store of wood, selling woods. Right there, here in the town. It's busy.
It's hard to come out and do anything. I'm not used to it.
It's my sinus is swelling in my throat, so.
Open up your eyes. Now I gotta do my next penis.
bike.
It's better to take it off little by little. You can always take off more wood if you need to. You can't add no more back. Well, they always say measure twice, cut once. Like that. Put it down here.
Go.
So if your wood's crested any, you have to bend this to coincide with it. Got some good squeezing. Oh, you're all right. Oh, this is cut with that old blade. So I'm going to cut some strips off of this to finish up my trim. I didn't have enough. But as you can see, these boards are not straight. And in order to cut straight boards through here to put on there, I have to have one straight side. See, this is way off. So to do that, this is not straight, but this is. But this is straight. So if I can clamp this in here like this, and these clamps are adjustable. Clamp that in here.
What's that you clamp? What's the name?
These clamps.
The one that you make, but where the clamp is, what's that?
Well, this is just a track for this board to ride on.
Ah, it's a track.
And then this straight part is going to go against the fence. And then I'm going to cut this off until it's completely straight. And then this side will be straight. And I can turn this around and put this up against the fence and then cut this off. And then all the cuts after that will be straight. Sometimes you think you can get it with one pass, but you can't. You have to get it with another one because this is way warped out. And you want to take off as little as possible because you don't want to eat up your whole board. As you can tell by looking at this board, this piece, how unlevel that was.
Can't see in
Look how
camera.
small this is here, but it thickens out as it goes up and thins back out again. So you unclamp these clamps, take it out. You don't need this no more. So now this is your straight side. So what you want to do now is put your straight side up against the fence, the reference off of, and make this one, make this side straight. Now you've got a straight board. The board is no longer warped. Now, take this one that I've already been using, planed this one already to match the thickness of this one. Scoop the fence over here, like this. On my second cut.
Yeah. No, just you the one early.
So to make sure this slides through here easy, it's actually kind of bumping that a little bit. Make sure that's too much.
Just put in the middle. Yeah, like that. Okay. Still.
Slides through there. All we're going to do is slide
On your
some pieces.
vacuum.
It's a little good.
A side table with a knob and no drawer.
So what's a lot of fake drawer tables in the world?
Ooh.
It's already gone. Well, it's finished. Just got to dust it off some. Later on, when it's not going to rain or nothing, I'll put some that clear coat on it, try to make it a little bit shinier.
Put here and down, Ron.
I'll put some clear coat on it, try to make it a little bit shinier. I'm waiting until I get my my sanding sealer, because I want to put the sanding sealer on this
Forgot the
wood.
black right here.
I want to put the sanding sealer on here so I can seal this up and then try to get these fibers off of it, because this wood's trying to be really fibrous on me.
It's still in good shape.
You can't pull that fiber if it's in a written wood.
It's still in good shape.
But anyway, when I get my sanding sealer, I'm going to put sanding sealer on it, and then hopefully that'll straighten up that furry wood.
There's no drawer, it's a design only.
It's just a design. Don't really work. And then make it more shiny. But I'm not really even attempt it until I get my sanding sealer. I got about that much sanding sealer left in a tin can already, but it turned rusty looking. And it's supposed to be wood, so I can't use it on stuff like that. I can still use it with rust in it, but I can't use it on stuff like that. have to use the clear one, so hopefully it won't be cold.
Side table. For his daughter again. Sierra, this is your side table, nak. He bought here a small one and she didn't like it. It's
Later
too
on,
small.
yeah, later on also I'll just do these holes. So I'm going to get the epoxy that's really light color because I'm not going to paint that. So I don't want it to be too cold. So I got to put up these tools, and here's that blower that I did. Here's